Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. This is a channel about fashion, luxury, travel and lifestyle. Hope you enjoy today's video. Today's video is about an unboxing of a Gucci shoe which I have picked up recently. There was a sale recently in the stores in Kuwait, and this I picked up from the 360 mall store, Gucci store. Usually they have yearly 2 sales, so it's a private sale, so the SAS message their people, and it's not displayed or anything anywhere, so you have to ask them personally. And I have picked up these shoes in the most beautiful color and I really love them. Stay tuned. Before I unbox, I wanted to go through the perfume of the day. Today's perfume is YSL Paris. I wanted to match my black dress with the perfume, and so I have picked this up. This is a nice flirty perfume. Nice floral flirty perfume. I love the pink on this and I just love the packaging of this. The bottle, I just love it. For makeup, I have used Sephora base. It's an all-day hydrator, Hydrate Plus Glow. I showed this in my channel before. And the foundation I have used is Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is a nice finish and I love the applicator for this. It's like this, so it's very nice. You can just put dots on your face and go through. I usually don't put too much foundation. I just give a simple base for the face. For powder, I have used Chamber Luminous Loose Powder, so this gives a nice glow to your face. For lips, I have used the Gucci Fuchsia color lipstick. This packaging I love. Hope you can see it. I love the black and this gold. I wanted to again use the black because I'm wearing a black dress, and over this I have put the YSL lipstick. This has a very nice feel to the lips. This is a pinky purpley color, and once you apply to the lips, it's a very cooling kind of lipstick. It has this, it's a liquid lipstick and it's very cooling and gives a nice feel to the lips. So the shade is 1919 and it's a matte stain. So it's not very pigmenty, but it's just a nice stain to the lips. I have used Chanel, this small mascara, Noir, in the color black. I have used this Pupa Kohl Intense Kajal Pupa 002 brown color to line my lower lash line. And I have used L'Oreal Profound Black 01 Gel Intense Eyeliner. This I have used as an eyeliner. This is a matte finish. I love these packagings actually. Okay, let's go to the unboxing. So this is the bag. This is the shoe box. Let's open it up. This is the shoe. So each shoe is packaged in a separate dust bag. There is Gucci on the dust bag. So this is the dust bag. This is the shoe. So this is in the nice pink iridescent color. It's very shiny and it has a black patent finish, black patent leather. So this is made in Italy, Gucci 37. So very nice, I just love it. I hope you can see the small GG on it. It's silver plus black and plus pink. baby pink. I love these colors actually. These are very nice. And I did not go for the bigger heel because I wanted something which I can use every day, and I want a lot of wear out of my, like, say, designer shoes. I don't want something which I can wear only sometimes, so I want to use them. So this is very comfortable for the legs. This is the other shoe. Here also there is Gucci, made in Italy. So this is the shoe. I have put an extra hole in the shoe. Okay, and also this leather, if it is not like this, they will take it to the workshop and they can make it flat so that it lays flat on the legs. So this is the pair of shoes. I love these colors. I love pink. So I thought these shoes go very well with my 3 bags, which is number 1, this one. This is the Bulgari baby pink with the champagne gold. So this is gold, silver, it looks, but it's a champagne gold. So it goes very well with this, like this. This I picked up from Fashion File at a very good price. And this goes very well with my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I just love this. I love this cute bag. This also has silver hardware, so this goes very well. Another one which goes is the Louis Vuitton Felicie pochette. This also goes very well with this, but this has gold hardware. So today I thought it will match my outfit. I'm wearing black, so I thought I'll go with the Bulgari. I never use this bag much, so I thought I will use it. I just love the black. I will do a review soon on this bag. I love this snakehead black. It's a very nice, luxurious bag. It's a small bag. This is in the mini size. So you have different sizes. So this is in the mini. Here it is written Bulgari. This has also a mirror. Still the sticker is intact. Nobody has removed it. When I do the review of this, I will show you. It has a mirror. And this is the thing. So it goes very well. So this is my bag of the day. So I will show you how I will match the shoes and this. My outfit of the day. This is from Zara. This is black and I'm wearing some stockings. So this will be the bag of the day. Bulgari. It's written Bulgari here. Bulgari is a jewelry brand and they do some bags and I just love it. It's like a piece of jewelry. And my shoes today, I will be wearing this Gucci. So I wanted to mention my jewelry. This one is from Damas. So this is gold with black coating, I wanted something with black and gold. So because we wear a lot of blacks in winter, I thought I need something in gold and black because I don't have one. This is fine jewelry. And this is the chain. I got this in the recent Black Friday sale. They had this. I got it in 40% off, so it's a very good price and I just love this dainty set. This shoe has shiny sequins and iridescent particles on it, and it has black patent leather, so it goes with any kind of your black purses, black clutches, black shoulder bags. So you can wear it on black or pink. You can wear it crossbody, or I can just put it on my shoulder as a long shoulder bag. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a like. and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.